Gold and silver traded in a narrow range today, but with moderate bearishness, I can say. Yes, not willing to give up. That is one sentence I can say or use here, because we have seen a very good support here coming at 33.84. Remember this level few hours back in our Asia session update, I have mentioned 33.84 is the only level below which you can take a sell. What has happened hitting 33.84? We have seen a bounce up. And likewise with silver, 38.70 levels. What has happened? It has respected 38.7. This is the beauty of levels here. So what to expect now with the US session? As we have seen the metals taking the support here, can we expect a bounce up, or it is going to break past these resistances and drop again? What should be our strategy in order to profit today? With the US session, we're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates, such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Look at the early charts of gold. What has happened? Prices were trading with divergence from 20 period moving average. It has waited for the 20 period to climb up, and it is just consolidating around 20 period. It is willing to take a direction. Now, this is consolidation when you can see lower highs, higher lows. You're not willing to give up on the downside, nor willing to break out. Now, where you should buy? Ideally, we have to now wait for 3402 levels to be taken in order to confirm further rise. But when you look at the move here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. See, the rise is getting smaller here, means it can give you a breakout on the downside. So let's wait for this. And thus, if you see it is staying beyond 33.95.96, you can expect it to move towards 3402 levels as well. And if it trades beyond 3402, you can say this is reversal. Else, what's happening? Right now it is consolidating around 20 period, and now once it trades below 33.84, you can take a sell for 33.74.76 or lower levels. Let's wait for this. See, the stochastic is comfortably placed. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. See, the price is hardly moved, but MACD has cooled down significantly. This is the beauty of indicators here. The RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Look at 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour chart, see, it is still trading with a distance from 20 period, which is sitting at 33.80. So this zone is very important for gold to break below. And as in how it moves farther below 33.80, more bearishness should prevail here. Let's wait for this. Right now I can say it is not yet willing to give up. Look at the move here. First rise retracement, second rise retracement, third rise. Bigger retracement has to follow, at least till towards 33.74.76 or 33.70 levels, but we have to wait for it to break out. Now notice on the 2-hour charts here, rise, retracement, again a rise. So this could be the larger channel in which it is trading, where the lows are at 33.40 levels. Stochastic has dropped to the bottom, trying to bounce back, while the MACD just crossing over. And look at these three waves. This is what we had discussed, that now it is at the peak, and a crossover here might pull the prices lower and indicate bearishness ahead. RSI is also dropped here, coming out of the overbought zone. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs. Diminishing bearishness, this could be a possibility of a bounce back as well. But I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 33.95.96 and 34.02 levels. Only above 34.02, you can say that it is turning bullish. On the downside, I can still expect it to move lower, but it is not willing to give up as of now. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is very near to the overbought zone. Look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, what has happened? See, first of all, a flat top. This is very important. 4 candles failed to break 3402 levels, and then we have seen a pullback. But now on the downside, the supports are getting stronger. Once it stays below 33.84, 33.80 levels, stay short for 33.74, 75, 33.70, and staying below 33.70 is where the bears are waiting. We can expect 33.64, 33.52, and 33.40 levels as the next targets. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. And if you look at the RSI, this is sitting at the top. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily charts, look at the move here. The rise, retracement, the rise, retracement, and again a rise here. This is the bullish channel here. The support levels at 33.40 needs to be taken in any case in order to confirm any kind of reversal and bearishness, and a drop below 3300, 3310 will confirm complete reversal and a breakdown here. But right now it is trading bullish. It is trading with higher lows, higher highs. Today's move and the closer of the day will determine what it wants to do in the next few sessions. Moving average is starting to diverge, stochastic rising, the MACD also rising, it is trading with divergence, and the RSI is comfortably placed. So before I give you the levels now, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. Yes, the current batch started yesterday only one class is over, and the next batch is already announced for the coming month. You can be part of it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on telegram. Reach out to me for details. My telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals. And yes, currently there is an awesome promotion going on with the recommended broker. The post is there in the communities tab. You can find the details there. Lot much is on offer here just by depositing and trading without doing anything. Do join it today and enjoy the profits here. Now let's again, the buying levels are pretty clear. 33.96 level is the where you can initiate a buy, but then be careful of 3400, 3402, and once it trades beyond 3400, 3402, I think gold is not going to look back down. We can expect it to move towards 32, 34, 20, 22 levels, the first target zone, and 3440 next, and 3450 the third. Till 3450 it has got greater resistance on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 3384 80 zone, 33 84 80, very good support. 74 75 next, 70 the third. Below 3370 is where you can again expect slight bearishness, but I'll say till 3360 be cautious. Below 3360 is where you can expect slight bearishness. 3352, 33 50 levels, 3340 levels are going to be the next. And if it trades below 3340, this is a confirmation of a great reversal here in gold prices. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now, likewise, what we had seen for gold, look at silver. Prices were divergent from 20 period. It has come down. It has waited for the 20 period to climb up, and it is consolidating around the same zone. Also, look at these candles. See, it has got a push from the upside. There is a greater resistance while the support is acting out very well. And thus, if you see it is staying below 3370, you can take a sell. As long as 3370 is not taken, do not initiate a sell here. Notice lower highs are also given here. So any move beyond 3900, 3920 levels here is the confirmation of further rise. Look at the early charts. When you see the rise retracement, you can see that it is still staying bullish, delivering higher lows, higher highs. Stochastic placed comfortably. MACD is crossed over. It is trading bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is placed comfortably as well. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, what I can see here, see series of bearish candle, one pullback, couple of retracement, and now once it trades beyond 39, 39.20, this could lead to another round of rise. While on the downside, since we are seeing lower highs here, any drop below 37, 38.70, 38.60 is a confirmation of a greater downside towards 38.40, 38.20 zone. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness for now. RSI is very near to the top. Coming to 3-hour. Now see the 3-hour charts. After the drop, it has shown reversal. Look at the body size gradually increasing. Also look at the lows here, beautifully aligned. Thus it is pretty important for silver to break this low. Thus it is only advisable to sell if you see it is staying below 3870 levels. Below 3870, expected to show a greater dip towards 3850, 3840, or in fact lower levels towards 3820. Right now it is looking upwards. Right now it is confirming further bullishness. Stochastic after the drop trying to rise. The MACD is in green. It has converged but not yet crossed over. The RSI is sitting very near to the overbought zone. Look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, what has happened? We have seen just consolidation, waiting for a breakout here. Either which ways it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. A drop below 3870 should take it further lows towards 3850, 40, and below that a greater correction should follow. Now see, other way to look at it is like this. Divide this into two, you can find out this is a double top, and from here if it starts to slide, it is going to bring enormous bearishness where it is going to break 3750 soon, and then we are going to see silver hitting the bottom here at 3650 very soon. Right now it is too early to conclude with that. It is not showing such aggressive bearishness. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now see on the daily chart, similar observation what we had seen on the smaller time frames. Rise retracement, support from 20 period, rise retracement. Now see, it is trying to form slightly bullish channel here. And thus it is pretty important for silver to trade below 38 and 3750 zone in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Right now it is trading bullish. And today specifically, it is shown modest bearishness though, but not yet confirming a complete reversal. What I'll recommend today, a selling entry is only below 38.70, where you can expect 38.50, 38.40 zone as the first and very strong support, 38.20 the next, and 38 the last. Any move below 38 is a clear sign of a greater correction, where the prices are going to head towards 37.50, 37 very, very soon, if not today. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry at 39 levels, but it is going to be riskier as long as 39.20 is not taken. So wait for $39 levels to be breached on the downside. The lower has to be taken, the lower value, that is right now the sell side has to be above $39 levels, and then expect 39.20 as the greater resistance. Once these two levels are taken, it is going to fly high. Silver might deliver a rally beyond 39.20, where we can expect 39.55, 39.80, $40 levels as the next targets. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.